Students, welcome to my channel. I am Professor Subrojit De. In today's video, I will show you the derivation of the equation of motions. Derivation of equation of the motions. In the previous class, we already discussed that equations are V is equal to U plus AT. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, T is the time. And how can we prove it? We know the accelerations A is equal to change of velocity, that is V by U, V minus U by T. So you multiply this one, A into T is equal to V minus U. That you get V is equal to U plus AT. That is the first one. Next, second one. S displacement is equal to ut plus half a t square. Here S displacement S is equal to average velocity, that is V plus U by 2 into time. So S is equal to, we know the value of the V is equal to U plus AT. So you put here U plus AT plus U by 2 into T. Then in U plus U, that is 2U plus AT by 2 into T. Now you have to multiply the T, then 2U T by 2 plus half a t square. Then 2 cancel, you will get ut plus half a t square. This is the second one. Now, third equation. V square is equal to U square plus 2as. We know V is equal to U plus AT. We know V is equal to U plus AT. Now you take the square in both sides. So it is V square U plus AT whole square. It will become U square plus 2U AT plus A square T square. Now U square, just keep it, and from here you take the common 2A. You will get ut here, and here you will get half a t square. From the previous equation we know that ut plus half a t square, which is equal to s. So 2as. So we can write down v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the proof of the third equations. Now we start the graphical proof of the equation of motion. How? This is velocity versus time. take, this is the initial velocity at position A. You take the acceleration at that position. Now you connect here and connect this point. This is A, this is B, suppose this is C, this is D. AO is equal to U, that means this one is equal to this one. So CD is also equal to U. Here the slope A, acceleration, slope of AB, slope of AB. A acceleration is equal to slope of AB. Slope of AB means this is theta, that is equal to tan theta. And we know tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, that is BC by AC. Now what is the BC? Is total, that is my V. This one is equal to U. So what is the value of the BC? BC is equal to V minus U. So we can write down V minus U. And what is this AC? AC means this one. This is equal to my OD, is OD. And what is OD? OD is equal to my time, that means T, which is equal to AC. So V minus U by time T. The A is equal to V minus U by T. Now you multiply A into T is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. Proof by the graphical method. Next we prove the second equation. The second equation, that is displacement, this displacement S, which is equal to the area of the total diagram. Area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle ACOD. So S is equal to, we can write down the half into BC into AC plus area of ACDOD, that is AO into OD. So from here we can write down half BC into AC plus AO means U into OD means T. Now you just put it here, half BC divided AC division, and here is the AC whole square plus UT. So half BC by AC, BC by AC, that means what? BC by AC, that means what? Tan theta. Tan theta means acceleration A. So this is A. AC means this one. AC what? T, that is T square plus UT. So finally we get S is equal to UT plus half A T square. This is the proof of second equation. A into S, that is slope of AB into S. S means area into area of trapezium. A, B, D, O. Now, slope of AB means that is tan theta into area of trapezium means half into the side of this trapezium, that is AO plus BD into the distance between these two, that is OD. Now tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular BC by AC, perpendicular by base AC, into half AO is equal to my CD. So here you write down CD plus BD into OD is equal to what? OD is equal to my AC. Both are same. Now AC is cancelled. So you get BC into half into CD plus BD. Now what is the value of BC? BC is equal to BD minus CD. BD minus CD. You get BC into half into CD plus BD. So finally we will get AS is equal to BD minus CD into half CD plus BD. So what is the value of BD here? BD is equal to my V. What is the value of CD? CD is equal to my U. V minus U into half into, what is the value of the CD? U. What is the value of the BD? V. You arrange this half into V minus U into V plus U. What is your formula? Half is equal to half into A minus B into A plus B, that is V square minus U square. This is the formula of A square minus B square. So what you will get? AS is equal to half of V square minus U square. To multiply here, 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Then AS plus U square is equal to V square. So finally you get V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the graphical proof.